In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your URL slug in Squarespace. Now, whether you're optimizing your website for better search engine visibility or simply giving your page links a cleaner look, modifying your URL slug can be a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it today in just 5 minutes. First, let's begin by logging into Squarespace. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to head over to the Squarespace website. Once there, look for the login option. You'll find this typically in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on that and you'll be directed to the login screen. If you're prompted with different login methods, select the option that allows you to continue using Google. This is often a convenient and fast way to log in, especially if your website account is linked to a Google account. Once you're through the login process, you'll be brought to your Squarespace dashboard. Now, on your dashboard, you should see a list of the websites linked to your account. Find the website you'd like to work with and click on it. After clicking, you'll be taken to the main editing area of that specific website. From here, navigate towards the Pages section. You can usually find pages in the main menu on the left side of your screen, represented by an icon that looks like a stack of papers, or a similar symbol, guiding you to the section where all your site's pages are listed. Once within the Pages section, locate the specific page where you want to change the URL slug. To do this, hover over the page title and you'll notice a small gear icon appearing to the right. This gear icon represents the settings for that particular page, and it's your gateway to modifying the URL slug. Click on that gear icon. The clicking action will open up a settings dialog box. Inside this dialog box, look for the option labeled URL slug. Here is where the change happens. You'll see the current slug associated with that page. Now is your opportunity to edit it. Take a moment to think carefully about your new slug. It should be concise, descriptive, and ideally include relevant keywords if SEO is a focus for you. Remember, slugs are typically created from lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens, so aim to keep it simple and readable. Once you've made your changes, finalizing them is as simple as clicking on the Save button. This button is usually located at the bottom or top of the settings dialog box. By saving your changes, you ensure that the new URL slug is applied to your website. And there you have it. Your page now sports a fresh URL slug, reflecting a more customized path. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on changing URL slugs in Squarespace. I hope you found it helpful, and now you can easily update and improve your website's URL structure with these quick steps. Enjoy your optimized site, and happy Squarespace editing.